So we will start now from question number 1. See, elephant and enormous. What is the relation between elephant and enormous? You know, what is the meaning of enormous? Who will tell the correct answer? Enormous means very big. Elephant size is very big. It is the property of elephant. Okay, it is property of elephant that it is very big. Its size is very big. So enormous means very big. Elephant is very big. So what about building? Which one is perfect for building? Multicolored, cheerful, wild, chubby. Dhruv Saini, big. Okay, very good. Enormous means big. So tell me the what will be the correct word for this building? Anybody? Anybody? Who will tell the answer? Whatever is the relation between elephant and enormous, same should be building to this word from anyone from A B C D. So Dhruv Saini, okay, Yogendran is saying A, multicolored. Dhruv Saini, chubby. Chubby is, what is chubby? Chubby means something like chubby chicks. You have heard chubby chicks means that is fatty. Whatever is fatty is called chubby. Okay, fatty. Chubby chicks. So it is not concerned with building. Wild, it is for animal. Cheerful, it is also a emotion, cheerful emotion. So building can be a multicolored. So who is Yogendran? Answer is correct. Okay. So correct answer here is multicolored because building can be multicolored. Okay. So here answer is multicolored. Correct answer. Here is up. Here both side. And if you put this on this, you will get this. If you put A on B, you will get C. Similarly here, if you put A on B, you will get this. But why not this? This is absent here. Why? Because these are common. These are common. These legs are common. This leg, down leg is common for both. So the common one is not there. So when you put A on B, this on this, what you will get? A. Okay, Yogendran, correct. Here answer will be A. Yes, question number 3. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and replace the question mark in the given series. इस सीरीज में चेक करना है आपको. You have to check the series. जिसने भी मेरा वीडियो देखा है उसको पता होगा सीरीज को सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं. नहीं देखा तो फिर से देख लेने का पहले का वीडियो. ठीक है. सीरीज में जब डिफरेंस कम रहता है, इफ द डिफरेंस, सबसे पहले तो हम डिफरेंस चेक करेंगे क्या क्या डिफरेंस है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल चेक द डिफरेंस. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस. ओके. सी द डिफरेंस इज मोर बिटवीन दिस and between this it is less. 332 664. See, around it is double. 332 664, it is around double. So if difference is very big, so you should think about multiplication. Okay. And if difference is less, you will think about plus or minus, subtraction or addition. Sonu Gamer is telling D, 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? So it is very confusing. Which one is confusing, Yogendran? Yeah, intelligence test is confusing. Every question is confusing. So you have to make clear about that confusion. You have to clear the confusion. That is the question. 178 Sugar, Sonu Gamer, D 178. Okay. Correct answer is 178. So how you will approach this question? You will approach by seeing the difference. See here the difference is less, so you will see what is the difference. Difference is 340 332. Difference is 8. Okay. And here difference is 170 340. Difference is 170. Okay. And here difference is 332. So what you can see here, once it is going double and then it is reducing by 8. This side, from this side if you go, once it is doubling, means 170 plus 170 is 340. Means if you multiply by 2 to 170, it will come 340. then it is difference subtracting 8, then it will come 332, again it is doubling. So one time doubling and second time it's subtracting. So already here doubled, so here we will be subtracting 8 and here we will be doubling to 89. 2 into 89, difference should be 89. So 89 plus 89, what will come? 2 9 is 18, carry 1, 2 8 is 16, plus 1 17, 178. This is the correct answer. Very good, Sonu Gamer. Question number 4. Select a figure from amongst the answer figure which will continue the same series as established by the 5 problem figures. 4 problem figures here. You have 4 problem figures. For 5 problem figures. So what will be continuing? What will come next? You have to tell what will come next. So you have to see the relation, how it's changing one by one, one by one. So what will be the next? 3 figures are there. 1, 2, 3. So check how they are changing. How they are changing. Just check. If you see the first one, this one. If you see the first one, so you can check these 2 are same. Okay, and after that it is mirror image, left to right, right to left, and also the water image, upside is down. Okay, and same for 2 times, and again the first one is coming here, then it will again repeat for 2 times. So here it will come same, the next figure will come this one, same to this one. Okay, now next figure, check this one. 1 again left to right and down to up. So this was down, this is up, and this is same for 2 times, again for 2 times, then it will come upside down, upside, downside up, like this it will come. Okay, and this one, the last figure, you can check L. Okay, opposite, again the same, 2 times, 2 times, then again it will come same, whatever is here it will come same here. So check which one you will get. See, A. Okay, very good. So good. D is answer. How? I will explain how D is the correct answer, because you know the product comes from factory and machinery. Where are the machinery? Machineries are in the factory. So both product and machinery both are related to the factory. Both you can find in factory, product as well as the machinery. So this is the factory, the big circle, and these 2 are, one is machinery and other is product. So there is no relation between machinery and products. That's why they are apart from each other. Okay, you have to think like this. Group the given figures into 3 classes using each figure only once. You have to classify, there are 9 figures, you have to classify in 3 groups for 3 3 3. You have to take 3 pictures having same relation or having same type in 3 groups. See the answer, 1 3 9 2 5 6 4 7 8. They are grouped like this. So what will be the correct grouping? You have to group correctly. How you will group? You have to watch the figure and make some relation between these figures. Okay, so take the very easiest figure, take very easiest figure and find that numbers in the answer. If you get the answer in 1 A, B, C or D, then that will be the correct answer. You don't have to find all the 3 groups. Check the easiest. If you can find easiest figure, easiest group, then you can give answer easily. You don't need to find all 3 groups. Yes, answer. How you have to think. एग्जाम में कैसे आपको सोचना है वो मैं यहाँ पे बताता हूँ. ठीक है, आपको मान लीजिए आपको 139 आपके समझ में आ गया कि 139 इज करेक्ट. ओके, बट 139 इज A and B, so you have to find other also because your one group is in 2 answers. So आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा दूसरा भी. तो 2 7 8 अगर मैं चेक करता हूँ 2 7 and 8. So कोई सिमिलैरिटी है क्या? यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे क्रॉस बना हुआ है, क्रॉस वाला कौन सा है? क्रॉस वाला ये है, यहाँ पे क्रॉस है, यहाँ पे क्रॉस है, ठीक है। तो आपका जो ग्रुपिंग होगा वो 2, 5, 6 का ग्रुपिंग होगा, ठीक है, ये वाला ग्रुप 4, 7, 8, ठीक है। इसको देखिए 4, 7 और 8, ये 3 का अलग ग्रुप है। 4, 7, 8 देख के पता चलता है। 4, 7, 8 एक के साथ छोटा, एक के साथ इसका छोटा, एक सेम फिगर है, एक बड़ा एक छोटा, सेम फिगर एक बड़ा एक छोटा, सेम फिगर एक बड़ा एक छोटा, तो ये ग्रुपिंग सेम हुआ, ठीक है। और ये ग्रुपिंग सेम हुआ, और ये और ये ग्रुपिंग सेम हुआ, ठीक है। तो ऐसे करके आपको सोचकर आंसर लगाना होगा। व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? चूज द बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव। 26, 5, 65, this one. So difference is more. So here it is multiplication or division. So what is the relation between 26 and 5? Okay, Sonu Gamer, very good. Your answer is correct. So the answer is 8. How? I'll tell you. You have to check. Just I told you that the difference is more, so you have to check the multiplication. So if you multiply 5 with 5, it will come 25 plus 1. It is 1 more than the multiplication of 5. Okay. So here this is 65. So let's make it less, 1 less, it will come 64. And 64 is the square of 8. So 8 8 is the 64 plus 1, 65. Same condition. 5 5 is the 25 plus 1, 26. So answer is 8 here. All these questions you can have practice. You can practice these questions on my site. The same name, the Sainik School .online. You can check here, Sainik School .online. Here is the link. This is the site where you can have the practice of all questions, sample questions, practice questions from mathematics and intelligence test. The Sainik School .online. After some days, science and social science questions will also be available there. So just visit this site and check your practice. So question number 8. Those who are new, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get good videos for preparation of Sainik School class 6 and 9th. Sonu Gamer C. C for which? C is not okay. C is correct answer. C. Yogendran C. Very good. Pooja. Very good. C is the correct answer here. How? C. This is the folding, paper folding question. So if you fold from here, this triangle will overlap each other. So only this part will, you can see this part only. So this part is here. And this will come on, this semicircle will come on this side, this one semicircle come on this side. So like this you have to think and you have to give answer. Correct. C is correct answer. Yogendran, Pooja, Shivam Kumar C. Very good. Yes, Isha is sister-in-law of Ashish. आशीष की सिस्टर इन लॉ है, ठीक है। और क्या है? डॉटर इन लॉ है कामिनी की। ये ऊपर चला गया, कामिनी की डॉटर इन लॉ, यानी इसका कोई बेटा है और ये बहू है। डॉटर इन लॉ मतलब होता है बहू, ठीक है, यानी बेटे की वाइफ। और धनराज इज द फादर ऑफ संदीप। संदीप का फादर कौन है? धनराज, ठीक है। धनराज इज फादर ऑफ संदीप हु इज ओनली ब्रदर ऑफ आशीष। ये दोनों आपस में भाई हैं, ठीक है, ये दोनों भाई हैं। हाउ कामिनी रिलेटेड टू आशीष। आशीष से कामिनी कैसे रिलेटेड है, ठीक है। इसकी ये सिस्टर इन लॉ हो गई। सिस्टर इन लॉ मतलब कि वाइफ की बहन या भाई की वाइफ, दोनों होता है। सिस्टर इन लॉ भाई की भी वाइफ होती है और अपनी वाइफ की बहन भी होती है सिस्टर इन लॉ। तो यहाँ पे अपनी बहन तो है नहीं, अपनी वाइफ का कोई बात है नहीं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे भाई की वाइफ हो जाएगी, ठीक है। ये भाई की वाइफ है और इसकी आशीष की सिस्टर इन लॉ हो गई, ठीक है। तो आशीष और कामिनी के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है? आशीष और, तो इसकी बहू है, इसका मतलब कि ये संदीप की माँ है, ठीक है। कामिनी संदीप की माँ है तो आशीष की भी माँ होगी, क्योंकि ओनली ब्रदर यानी इकलौता भाई है आशीष संदीप का, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे रिलेशन क्या हो जाएगा? रिलेशन बिटवीन हाउ कामिनी इज रिलेटेड टू, कामिनी इज मदर ऑफ आशीष, ओके। यहाँ पे मदर कहीं है नहीं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आंसर हो जाएगा आपका नन ऑफ दीज, ठीक है। मदर आंसर आएगा, मदर इन लॉ नहीं कर देना है, ये तीनों आंसर गलत हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पे हो जाएगा मदर, ठीक है, नन ऑफ दीज। फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द अमंग्स द फोर अल्टरनेटिव्स as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line। ये भी फोल्डिंग पेपर का है ये क्वेश्चन, बता सकते हैं आप लोग। फर्स्ट संडे को होता है, जनवरी के फर्स्ट संडे को होता है एग्जाम हर साल, ठीक है। तो जनवरी का अगर कुछ भी भूल जाओ तो जनवरी का फर्स्ट संडे देख लेना कौन सी तारीख में आता है। सबका बी आंसर आ रहा है। शिवम कुमार, योगेंद्रन डी, शिवम कुमार बी, बी आंसर गलत है बाबू। शिवम कुमार आंसर इज रॉन्ग, बी। योगेंद्रन, ये जब इसको यहां से फोल्ड करेंगे हम तो ये तो वैसा का वैसे ही रहेगा ना, ये उठ के उसके ऊपर जाएगा, ठीक है। ये तो डी जो आप बता रहे हो योगेंद्र, पूजा डी जो आप बता रहे हो पूजा, ये जो है ये इसके बाहर आएगा, सर्किल विल बी आउटसाइड ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल। सोनू ए, वेरी गुड। योगेंद्रन ए, वेरी गुड। शिव देवी सी, नॉट करेक्ट, रॉन्ग। डी इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। दिस when you fold this paper, this circle will overlap the triangle like this, it will come. You have to find this relation. What is the relation of 19 with this 3, 5, 3, 4 and this relation 29? If you find any relation here, you have to cross check with this one and then you have to apply it on this one, middle one. Okay, first you have to find anyone from here or here, anyone you have to find the relation, then you have to cross check with other one and then you have to apply in the middle one. 11th C, Yogendran C, Sonu C, anybody else? Okay, C is the correct answer, very good. Those who have answered, it's very good. C is 41. How? I'll explain here. You have to check here. First you have to check here. How you will check? You will check the sum or multiplication. Sum, multiplication, division or subtraction. So here 19 is there. So if you check 5 for the 20, 20 minus 3, it's coming 17. So no, 4 3s are 12 plus 5, 17. It will not come. So if you will check 5 3 the 15 plus 4, 19. Means this 2 you have to multiply and you have to add this one. So this relation we will check here, it is correct or not. So if you multiply here 6 4 the 24 plus 5, it is coming 29. So our relation, our thinking is correct. So you have to apply here. How you will apply? 7 5 the 35 by multiplying plus 6, 35 plus 6, 41. So this is correct answer, 41. Okay. Now next question, question number 12. A. Shonu Gamer A. How it is A? How you can say A? A you have 2 division. Here you have 3 division, not 4. Just check. Here you have 4 division. Here you have 4 division. Here 2 division. So number of division is not the relation. Number of division is not equal. So which one is odd? You cannot say by the number of division. So you have to make the other concept. D. How D? How D? Here 3, here 2, here 4, here 4. You have to check the equality of division, not the number of division. Number of division is different. If only one figure is different, you can tell that it is odd. If there are 4 here also, then you can say this is out, or this one is 4, then you can say 3 is out. But here 2, 3, 4, 3 types of division are there. 3 types of division are there. So you have to check the equality of division, either they are equal or not. So if you check these 3 are equal in size, Okay, this is equal size, this and this division, this 4 are equally divided. Here 3 are equally divided, but here cross, see, this one is big, this one is small, again this one is big, this one is small, so 2 are same and these 2 are same. So you can say C is the correct answer. You Pooja, okay, very good. C is the correct answer due to the equality of division, not the number of the division. So both you have to consider. Sometime it's coming for class 6, I think it can come the number of division, because number of division is very easy, anyone can see and tell the answer, but nobody thinks about the equality of division. Okay, so we'll check next question, question number 13. Here answer is C. Next question, question number 13. Clock west, east, north, south. Okay, this is 12, this is 6, this is 3, this is 9. So at 9:15 it will be the hour's hand will be southeast and the minute hand will be on the west. Minute hand will be exactly on the west because it will be on 15 minutes on the 3. So answer will be D, west. See, it is asking the direction, the minute hand direction. It is asking minute hand direction, not the hour hand. It is minute hand. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the middle of the series. You have to find the letter in the blank space. Okay, you can check out all the videos are there in YouTube. You can check one by one. All are very good videos for your preparation. Just check it out in your free time. Don't waste your time because time is very less. Only 2 months, not 2 months only, 59 days, 58 days only left. D. Sonu Gamer is always giving answer very fast. I think his preparation is very good. Pooja, Yogendran, you are not giving answer. And other guys, Shiv Devi, what about you? Why you are not answering? D. Sonu Gamer. Jaipal Reddy B. Jaipal Reddy B. Yogendran is Pooja. It's D. Very good. Those who are giving D is correct. D is the correct answer for this question. How? I'll tell you, I'll explain you how. See the relation between E and G. There is one letter gap, E, F, G. Okay, one letter gap here. After that L, L, L and L and L. So second one is same, no need any gap. Now third one, F and H. In between there is one gap, F, G, H, H, I and then J. Okay, there is one gap. Last A and A means the last one is same. So A and L is same. And here I, after that one letter gap, I, J, K. K is coming here. L is same. J, after J it is K and after that L. K, L, L and A is same. So K, L, L, A is the correct answer. Okay. Yogendran D. Okay, very good. Now question number 15. Yes. Fast. You don't have time. Fast. It's very easy question. Its answer is D. You can see the same, all are same. All parts are same. 1, 2, 3, all parts are same. Third will also be same. So you can just fix it here. It will come same figure. So 15 answer is D. Correct answer is D. Okay. Everyone is giving correct answer. So correct answer is Shiv Devi B, Sonu Gamer B, Jaipal Reddy B, Yogendran A. Means Pooja A. So A is not the correct answer. Here B is the correct answer. Rug. Rug, you know rug. What is rug? कालीन जो जमीन पे बिछा के हम लोग बैठते हैं ऐसा, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग रग, ठीक है. दैट इज नॉट इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ फर्नीचर. काउच इज फर्नीचर, टेबल इज फर्नीचर, चेयर इज फर्नीचर, rug is not a furniture. So here odd man out, rug is out. Correct answer is B. Okay. Now next question, question number 17. Mat. Yeah, right. It is mat. Select the suitable figure from the answer figure that would replace the question mark. You have to choose from the answer figures. 4 answer figures are there. You have to choose from them which will come in place of the question mark. Write the question number also. Question number, which question number you are answering? How can I know? Very good, very good. Pooja, very good. Shiv Devi, A not correct. Yogendran, A not correct. Pooja is correct. Shiv Devi 17, A wrong. Sonu Gamer, A wrong. See, whatever is here, they are replacing each other without changing in the place. No place is changing. Same square is here, circles are here. So circle become a square, square become circles. In place of circles, square is coming. In place of square, circle is coming. Here 3 circles are there, only 3 squares are here. Here 1 square, here 1 circle. Okay, the same thing you have to do here. Place, see the place of triangle, see the place of triangle. Anything changing? Place, no place changing. Place of triangle, see, triangle is here, so this one is correct place of triangle. This is not the correct place of triangle. And here the place of 3 circles are here, same place here. So place of this L is here, so same place is here. So answer will be B. Correct answer is B. Ophthalmia is related to eye. Ophthalmia is a disease which is related to eye, which exists in eye. Okay, ophthalmia is a disease which you can find in eye. So what the disease ricket, where you can find rickets? 17. Now question number 18. Put question number also so that I can realize which question you are answering. Just put the question number also. Sonu Gamer answer is C. Shiv Devi C. Sonu Gamer C. Shiv Devi 18 C. C is the correct answer because ricket is a disease which you can find in bones. The bended bones. Legs are bended, bow type legs. It is called rickets. Bow type means धनुष टाइप का पैर हो जाता है, मुड़ जाता है, ठीक है, तो उसको हम rickets बोलते हैं. It is called rickets. It is related to the bone. So here correct answer is C, bone. Next question, question number 19. Who will answer this question? Corona. First read the question carefully. This is not mirror, not water, both. Choose the alternative which is closely resembles the mirror image as well as water image of the given combination. Water और mirror दोनों इमेज आना चाहिए, दोनों. कोरोना का दोनों इमेज कौन सा होगा? A, B, C, D. शिव देवी रिकेट्स विटामिन डी करेक्ट. 19th 19 Ramesh Satya B. Pooja C. Check again. Pooja and Jaipal Reddy D. All are wrong. Check again. What happens? Mirror image right to left. Okay, and water image up to down. Both you have to check. So if left to right, C will come here. Okay, C will come here. So C is here, here, and here. Both three places C are same position. Now you have to put down also. So N, C, O you cannot check. O you cannot check the direction. Up, down, both are same. So you have to check R. So check R. R will be after mirror image. It will come like this. Okay, this is R mirror image, and then when you put this in water image, the R will change like this. Okay, so here R is not like that, here R is not like that. This B and D both are same, I think. So you have to find this R. This R is here. A. Correct answer is A. Both water and mirror, both image, water image and mirror image, both you can find here. Corona. Okay, we'll check next question. Question number 20. If 1 into 10 is equal to 9, this is intelligence question, not mathematics question. So you have to consider 10 into 1 is equal to 9, 10 into 2 is equal to 18, 10 into 3 is equal to 27. See the relation 9, 18 and 27. What is happening? What's happening here? What's happening here? Question number 20, answer please. $72, very good. Shiv Devi, very good. Jaipal Reddy A, not good. Yogendran Pooja B, very good. Ramesh Satya, very good. Shiv Devi, very good. Jaipal Reddy A, not good. Okay, correct answer is 72. Why? Because you are considering 10 as a 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So 9 8s are 72. Okay. Next question 21. Question number 21. Okay, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel so that you can join easily whenever there is a live class. You can join easily, you will get the notification easily, or join my group, WhatsApp group. Link is there in the description. We are always ready to help. If you want to join Zoom classes, there is free for girls, but girls are required to attempt a test. If they qualify in test, then only they will get free coaching for Sainik School. Boys have to pay after test also. Yes. 21st A. A is wrong. Jaipal Reddy. Pooja 21st A, wrong. Shiv Devi 10102, wrong. Yes, try. It's very interesting question. Just try. I will give time. Just try. Try all. Pooja, A is wrong. Try again. See the relation. What's happening? What is the relation between 3 and 10? 10 and 101. It's very easy. Relation between, you have to find relation between 3 and 10, and same relation between, it should be same with 10 and 101. Okay, very good. Shiv Devi, very good. Correct answer, Shiv Devi, C. Very good, nice. You think and you give answer, very good. See what's happening. 3 square, 3 is a 9 plus 1. You have to square plus 1. So 3 ka square 9 plus 1 it's 10, and 10 ka square 100 plus 1 101. Now you have to make a square of 101, and then you have to plus 1. 101 ka square plus 1. So 101 ka square aa jayega 10201, and plus 1 is, it will be 10202. C. Jaipal Reddy, it's C. Pooja, it's C. Question number 22. Select the pair of which has the same relationship. Select the pair which has the same relationship. After and before. It's not present and past. It's not present and past. It's after and before. What is the relation? After means one step forward, and before one step backward. 22. For 22, it's C. Contemporary, historic. No. Wrong. C is not the correct answer. I told you one step forward, one step backward. You are here, one step forward, one step backward. So the answer, correct answer is successor and predecessor. 2. Shiv Devi, very good. Shiv Devi, very good. Okay, next question 23. Question number 23. Some papers are pen, all the pencils are pens. So conclusion is some pens are pencils, some pens are paper. So which conclusion is correct? Only one, only two, either one or two, both 1 and 2. So which one is the correct answer? Some papers are pens, all the pencils are pen. Some papers are pens, all the pencils are pens. All the pencils are pen. All pens are not pencil. All pencils are pen. So some pencils are pen, some pens are pencils. So some pens are pencils, correct. If all pencils are pen, then some pens are pencils. This is correct. And some pens are paper. Some papers are pens, so some pens are paper. So both the statement are correct. Some papers are pen. Some pens are papers. Okay, here both, this is new type question. Okay, 23 Shiv Devi, very good. Both A and B are correct. Conclusion, both conclusion are correct, and 1 and 2. Okay. Pooja, very good. D. Yogendran just deleted. Jaipal Reddy, D. Okay, very good. Next question, question number 24. I'll explain here, just check. A, B, C, D and E are sitting on a bench. Okay, this is bench. A is sitting next to B. A is sitting next to B. So next will be here or here. Both you can check. First you have to write like this. A is sitting next to B, and C is sitting next to D. C is sitting next to D. Okay. D is not sitting with E. D is not sitting with E. Okay. Who is on the, D is not sitting with E. E who is on the left end of the bench. Left end is this one. It's not sitting with D. So CD is okay. C is on the second position. C is on the second position from the right. So CD is, correct place of CD is not here. Correct place of CD is here. Second place is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to here you are right. C is the second position from the right. A is to the right of B. A is to the right of B. Okay, A is right to the B. Okay, B is facing towards U. So A is right of B. Sorry, here. A is right of B. So like this you can change. Okay, up to here you are okay. A is to the right of B and E. Right of B. It is right from this side right. This one left. Okay, so A is right to the E and B both. A and C are sitting together. A and now C. A and C are sitting together. C is also wrong answer. A and C are sitting together. Now see the in which position A is sitting now. See now what is the position now. E, B, A, C, D. This is the position now they are sitting. Now what it is asking, in which position A is sitting. It is asking position of A between B and C. A is sitting between B and C. Correct answer is B. Like this you have to find. It will take only 10 seconds or 30 seconds to find this one. Zoom classes will be from 6 o'clock. For class 6 it will be from 6 o'clock, and for 9th it will be from 8 o'clock. Those who have paid, they are only allowed in the Zoom classes. Okay, without payment no classes. Zoom classes, only YouTube classes, free of cost. Okay, so last question of this question paper, question number 25. This one is easy for class 9th students and little bit tough for class 6 student. I will explain how class 6 student can solve this one. No need to pay, girls. Only you have to give test. And Pooja, you are already registered for the coaching. No need. There are 3 girls in the batch. 2 boys or 1 boy, I think. Try 25, try 25, question number 25. Two bus tickets from city A to B and 3 tickets from city A to C. Whenever solving these questions, intelligence question, just make figure. If you make figure, it will be easy to understand the question. Okay. So there is city A, B and C. And what it is asking, what are the fares for city B and C from A. So you have to find A to C, fare of A to C and A to B. So here in first situation, what is it is telling, A to B 2 tickets, 2 bus tickets from A to B. So here 2 tickets and 3 tickets for A to C, 3 tickets. It will cost 77 rupees. If you take 3 tickets from A to C, it will cost 3 tickets. If you take 3 tickets from A to C and 2 tickets from A to B, it will cost 77 rupees. And if you take opposite, means 3 tickets from A to B, okay, 3 tickets from A to B and 2 tickets from A to C, then it will cost 73. So what you will do here, you will take answer from the answer. You will check the answer from the answer. How? So in first situation, what will happen? A to B. Suppose you have to check this one. So A to B is 2 ticket. So the A to B is, this one is the fare. A to B. So 2 ticket means 8 rupees. And here 23. 3 tickets of 23. So how much it will come? 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. 69 plus 8. So it will come 77 if you add. Okay, first situation is fulfilled. It is okay. But second situation, no. Don't do fast. You have to satisfy second situation also. Second situation, it is telling 3 tickets. So 3 tickets means 4 3 is 12. 3 tickets means 4 3 is 12. And 2 tickets of 23 means 46. So it will come 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 1 5, 58. It's not coming 73. So this is not the correct answer. Okay. So you will check second one. Your calculation should be very fast. Then only you can qualify the Sainik school examination. Okay. So now second one. Again we will check the first situation 2 and 3. Second situation is 3 2. So first you will check 2 into 13. 13 to the 26 plus 17 3 is 51. So this comes 77. Okay. and again 3 into 13, 13 to the 39, okay, and 17 to the 34, and this comes 4 plus 9, 13, 3, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 73. It is satisfying both the conditions 77 and 73. So answer will be B. Okay, I hope you understand these questions, and you will try these questions again from this website, thescienticschool.online. This is the website. Description link of this website is given in the description of videos in YouTube. You can check out from there. Okay, it is not available now. It will be available after tomorrow. It will be available. Okay, now I will take the class, Zoom classes. So 6th and 9th both, it will take 4 hours for classes. After that I will upload this one to my site, so you can practice from tomorrow. Okay, so these was 25 questions of intelligence test. English class also. English class we will check first. This more than half marks means from 400 marks for class 9th, 250 marks comes from intelligence test and mathematics. Intelligence 50 marks and mathematics 200 marks. So we will more focusing on mathematics and intelligence. English, science and social science we will see later on. Okay, so have a nice day, take care, do study, do practice, don't waste your time, and have a nice day. Goodbye for today only. We will meet again very soon. If you are new, just subscribe the channel so that you can get the information and join our WhatsApp group also. Okay, take care, bye bye.